Good morning, students. Today I am going to start with exercise 5.2. Okay, and of course arithmetic progression, chapter number 5. Okay, so far you see we have learned that a of n, okay, the nth term of an AP is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what the formula for finding the nth term of an AP. All right. Now, if I want to find d, the common difference, d is equal to, okay, a of n, okay, a of n plus 1 minus a of n. All right. Or in short, if you want to find d, then d is equal to, say, third term minus, say, second term, okay, the previous term minus the previous term. Then there is another formula. ये तो example है, okay. There is another formula for finding d, that is a of n, that is the nth term minus the nth term upon m minus n. Okay, so get used to these three formulas. Okay, once you are used to these three formulas, you will see how easy it is to solve these problems. Okay, so I'm going to start today with exercise number 5.2, which happens to be on page 105. Page 105. All right. Now just see the first question here. Fill in the blanks because A, D, N and AN are given in each case. Okay. Let us quickly do that. A is equal to 7. D is equal to 3. N is equal to 8. Okay. So now you want to find A of N. That is A of N. A of N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So if I want to find A of 8, where n is equal to 8, then that will be A, that is 7 plus 8 minus 1. Okay, n is equal to 8, A 8, and into D is given as 3. Alright, so 7, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, 21 plus 7, 28. Okay, the second question here. The second question, A is equal to minus 18. Alright, D is equal to question mark. We want to find D. Alright, then N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 and A of N is equal to 0. A of N is equal to 0. This is given. Again, we apply the same formula. A of N, A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. Now, A of N in this case, it is given as 0. And A of N is equal to 0, N is equal to 10. Remember that A is equal to minus 18 plus N minus 1, 10 minus 1 into D. D is given, we don't know the D, we have to find D. Okay, minus 18 on this side will become plus 18 is equal to 10 into D, 10D, 10 ones are 10. Okay, take 10 on this side, it becomes 28. 28 is equal to 10D, or D is equal to 28 upon 10. Okay, so cancel by 2, by 2. 2 5s are and 2 14s are. Remember, D can be in fraction, N should not be in fractions. Okay, let us take the next one. Okay, now here we are given that A we don't know. Okay, A is question mark. Then D is equal to minus 3. D is equal to minus 3 and N is equal to 18. N is equal to 18. A of N is equal to 5. A of N is equal to minus 5. Alright. Once again we use the same formula. A of N, A plus N minus 1 into D. A of N is equal to minus 5. Okay. A we want to find. N is given as 18. 18 minus 1, 17 into D is given as minus 3. Alright. So therefore minus 5 is equal to A. Okay. 17. 18 minus 1 is 17. 17 3s are 51. Minus 51. Take minus 51 on this side, becomes 51. 51 minus 5 is 46. So A is equal to 46. Alright, then number 4. Let's do number 4. A is equal to minus 18.9. 18.9 D is equal to 2.5. Then N we don't know. We want to find N. And then A of N is 3.6. A of N is 3.6. Okay, again we use the same formula. A of N is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. See, every time you write the formula, you actually learn the formula. And that is the best way to learn the formula. Write the formula. So you automatically learn it. Now, A of N is given as 3.6. A is given as minus 18.9. Okay, plus N. We don't know N. We want to find. And D we are given as 2.5. Okay. Now minus 18.9 will become plus 18.9. 18 and 3, 51. 18 and 3, 21. 21.9 and 30.5. So this becomes 18 and 3, 21, 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to 2.5 N minus 2.5. Take 2.5 also, it becomes plus. So 3.6 plus 18.9 plus 2.5 is equal to 2.5 N. So this becomes now 5 and 9, 14. Okay, 14 and 6, 20. 2 and 3, 5. 5 and 8, 13. 13 and 2, 15. 1 and 1, 2. Becomes 25. It's 2.5 N. So N will be equal to 25 upon 2.5. Okay, that is equal to 250 upon 25. So N is equal to 10. Alright, so N is equal to 10. Now look at the fifth one. A is equal to 3.5. Alright, D is equal to 0. Okay, N is equal to 105. And A of N we want to find out. A of N. Again we apply the same formula. A of N, and write the formula every time so that you automatically learn it. N minus 1 D. A of N we want to find. Alright. A of N means N is equal to 105. So actually you are finding A of 105. That is what you are finding. A 3.5 plus N is 105. 105 minus 1 is 104 into D. D is given as 0. Okay. So A of 105 is equal, this will become 0. So 3.5 plus 0 is 3.5. Okay. So that is question number 1. Now let's see the second question here. Second question. This is on page number 106 now. Okay. Choose the correct choice. Choose the correct option in the following and justify. By justification, what we are basically doing is solving it. Okay. 30th term of the AP. You want to find the 30th term of the following AP. 10, 7, 4. 10, 7, 4 dot dot dot. Okay, which one is it now? You want to find the 30th term. In other words, you want to find A of 30. This is what you want to find. Again, we apply the same formula. A plus N minus 1 D. Now you can see if you write the formula every time how easy it becomes to learn. Okay. Now A of N, that means I want to find A of 30 is equal to A. The first term is 10. 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Minus 3 into D. Okay. D here, of course, 30 minus 1. 30 minus 1 is 29. 30 minus, yes, N is 30. You want to find 30, N is 30. 30 minus 1 is 29. Alright. So 10 minus 29 3s are 87. So you get minus 77. Alright. Okay, so the question is which one? And therefore the option is B. Option is B. Look at the second, 11th term of the AP. We are given the AP. What is the AP? Minus 3, then minus half, then 2. Okay, this way. Now you want to find the 11th term. That means you want to find A of 11. This is what you want to find. Again, as I said, write the formula. Every time you write the formula, you are basically learning it. Okay. A of 11. मतलब n की जगह पे हम we are going to take 11. A is minus 3. N is equal to 11. 11 minus 1, 10 into D. D is what? Minus half minus 3. Okay, minus half, I'm just showing you here, minus half minus minus 3. So actually minus half plus 3. 3 minus half. 3 minus half is 2.5. 2.5 means 5 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2. So this is 5 upon 2. D. Minus 3 plus 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 25 minus 3 is 22. So you get 22. Now see the option there. That is also B. Option number B. And you want to justify it. ये justification हो गया. हमने calculate करके देखा है. Okay. Then question number 3. Question number 3. 1. First one says 2. Then there is a blank. And then there is 36. You want to find the blank. Okay. Now suppose the blank is x. Suppose मैं x लेता हूँ. Therefore x minus 2 will be equal to 36 minus x. And that will be actually equal to what? Common difference D. Common difference D will be x minus 2, 36 minus x. Take x on this side, you get 2x. Take 2 on this side, 38 आ गया. Okay, so x will be equal to 19. In other words, this is 19. Okay, then take the second one. The second one says that there is a blank, then there is 13, then there is blank again, and then there is 3. Now here you see you have to use your head a little bit, okay, not much, you don't have to use it too much, but just see that this is the first term, okay. So your first term is suppose A, then 13, okay, and then blank, and then 3, alright, and then of course it may be dot 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 and AP, but this is an AP. So A, first term, 13, then there is a blank, and then 3. So actually this will be what? First term A, then A plus common difference D, then A plus 2D, and then A plus 3D. Okay, where D is the common difference. So you can see the second term is 13. In other words, A plus D is equal to 13. And the fourth term is A plus 3D, A plus 3D. And that is given as 3. Okay, minus 3 or 3 is it? It is 3. Okay, not minus 3, this is blank. Minus, this is 1 blank, 13 blank, and then 3. Alright, now you get 2 equations. So now you subtract them. Change the sign. Okay, if you subtract it, you get minus 2D. A will cancel out. 13 minus 3 is 10. So D is equal to 2 5s are 10. D is equal to minus 5. Agar D is equal to minus 5, then what will it be? The first term is A plus D is equal to 13. So A, 13 minus D. 13 minus D is minus 5. 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. So अब AP क्या हो गया? देखो, फर्स्ट टर्म तो 18 आ गया, 18. उसके बाद हमको 13 दिया है, बिकॉज D की वैल्यू माइनस 5 है. अब फिर से इसमें से माइनस 5 करो तो 8 हो जाएगा. 8 में से माइनस 5 करेंगे तो 3 हो जाएगा. Now you can see it's over. Alright. The second one. This was number. Alright. Let's see the number 2. Okay, here. Number 2. Number 2, that was number 2, sorry. This is number 3 now. Number 3 says 5. Then there is a blank. Then again there is a blank. Then 9.5. You want to find the 2 blanks. Okay, now you compare this. Suppose this is A, first term. Then the second term. Then the third term. And then the fourth term. The fourth term is A plus 3D. Alright. So now, therefore, A plus 3D is 9.5. 9 to the 8, 19 upon 2. 9.5 means 19 upon 2. A की value 5 है. So 3D is 19 upon 2 minus A. Plus A इस तरफ minus हो जाएगा. So 3D, 5 2s are 10. 19 minus 10 is 9. 9 upon 2. Okay. And 3 को इस तरफ ले लो. So D is equal to 9 upon 3 2s are 6. Therefore D की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 upon 2. अब D की वैल्यू आ गई, therefore AP आ जाएगी. AP फर्स्ट टर्म दिया है, ओके, अब सेकंड टर्म में डी ऐड करो, ए प्लस डी, ए इज 5, 5 प्लस 3 अपॉन 2, 5 2 ज़ा 10 प्लस 3 13 अपॉन 2, ए सेकंड टर्म। अब 13 अपॉन 2 को फिर से डी ऐड करो, ओके, इफ यू ऐड अगेन, इफ यू ऐड दिस इज ए प्लस 2d, बट ए के साथ हमको 2d ऐड करो। देखो थर्ड टर्म क्या है, ए प्लस 2d, ए प्लस 2d, ओके, ए की वैल्यू तो 5 है, प्लस 2 इंटू डी, डी की वैल्यू कितनी है 3 अपॉन 2, 2 2 कैंसिल, 5 प्लस 3 8, तो ये 8 आ गया, ओके, और फिर बाद में 9.5 दिया है, 9.5, ऑलराइट, ये हो गया, ओके। सो यू कैन सी दिस आर नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट, यू जस्ट हैव टू यूज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ व्हाट यू हैव लर्न। देखो अभी -4 है, उसके बाद 4 ब्लैंक है, ओके, 4 ब्लैंक एंड सॉरी ब्लैंक, and then you got 4 and then 6, okay, so this is, you can see, ये a है, a plus d है, then a plus 2d है, a plus 3d and a plus 4d। a plus 4d कौन सी टर्म होगी, फिफ्थ टर्म, 1 2 3 4 and 5, so the fifth term, therefore a plus 4d is the fifth term, is given as 6, okay, it is given as 6, all right, so therefore a is -4, it is given, so 4d is equal to 6, -4 will become +4 on this side, will become 10, so d is equal to 10 upon 4, that is 5 upon 2, d की वैल्यू, अब d की वैल्यू है, so therefore your AP will become what, फर्स्ट टर्म वैसा ही रहेगा, अब सेकंड टर्म को हम 5 upon 2 ऐड करेंगे, so a is, remember a in this case is -4, so that -4 plus 5 upon 2, देखो ये 4 2 ज़ा 8, -8 plus 5, okay, will be -3 upon 2, so ये -3 upon 2, okay, now after that -3 upon 2 फिर से हम ऐड करेंगे, d को ऐड करेंगे, -3 plus 5 is 2 upon 2 which is equal to 1, so ये 1 आ गया, okay, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकंड टर्म थर्ड टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकंड टर्म थर्ड टर्म फोर्थ टर्म, ओके, नाउ फोर्थ टर्म क्या होगी, फोर्थ टर्म विल बी, यू कैन डू इट इन द सेम वे, सी a plus 3d, a plus 3d, ओके, a की वैल्यू कितनी थी -4, 3 इंटू d की वैल्यू कितनी है 5 upon 2, ओके, सो -4 plus 15 upon 2, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 15 minus 8 will be 7, 7 upon 2, so therefore this is 7 upon 2 and then 6, this is your AP, alright, you can see these are very easy problems, they are not tough at all, alright, and then there is one more of this type, okay, and that is, there is a blank, first term is blank, we don't know, second term is 38, okay, then blank blank blank, three terms are not known, and then finally we got -22, so how many terms are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, okay, so therefore this is your a plus d, then a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d, and the sixth term 1 2 3 4 5 and sixth term will be a plus 5d, sixth term, okay, so therefore a we don't know, all right, so here a plus d is equal to 38 and a plus 5d is equal to minus 22, this is given to us, all right, so now from this we have to just subtract it, this will become opposite sign, okay, ये cancel हो गया, d minus 4d 5d is minus 4d, 22 plus this will be 60, so d is equal to minus 15, d की वैल्यू आ गई, अब सब आ जाएगा, ओके, therefore a plus d is equal to 38, first term a 38 minus d, 38 minus 15, 38 plus 15 is 30, 48 and 5 53, all right, that means the first term, so now अगर AP बनाना है तो फर्स्ट टर्म तो आ गया 53, अब 53 प्लस माइनस 15. ओके, सो माइनस 15 करते जाओ इसमें से. 53 माइनस 15 विल बी 38. ओके, 38. 38 माइनस 15, ये 38 आ गया. ओके, अब माइनस 15 करेंगे. 38 माइनस 15 विल बी 25. ओके, 23, सॉरी 23 प्लस 15, यस 23, सॉरी 23 प्लस 15. अब 23 आ गया. 23 में से 15 निकालो. ओके, सो 23 माइनस 15 इन 8, 23, सो दिस विल बी 8. ओके, अब 8 माइनस 15, ये 8 माइनस 15. 15 माइनस 8 कितना है? 7, लेकिन माइनस साइन होगा, माइनस 7. अब फिर से माइनस 15 करेंगे तो माइनस 22 आ जाएगा. देखो ये लास्ट टर्म माइनस 22, और ये सेकंड टर्म 38. Alright, so you can see that all these problems are not difficult to solve at all. Alright, that was question number 2. There were many sub questions there. Alright, now let's proceed further to question number, that was question number 3. Now question 4. All these questions take a little bit of working. Okay, so let us see question 4. Which term of the AP? Alright, we are given the AP we are given 3, 8, 13. 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78. Which term of the AP is 78? Obviously, when you look at it, हमको A मिल जाता है first term 3, D is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, 8 minus 3 is 5. हमको D की वैल्यू आ गई. Now you see we use the formula A of n, A plus n minus 1 D. Now which term is 78? So therefore A of n को हम 78 लेंगे. A of n को 78. So 78 is equal to A plus n हमको निकालना है, और D की वैल्यू दिया है 5. Alright, so now 78 minus 3 is 75. Okay, is equal to n minus 1 into 5. 75 को 5 से डिवाइड करो, 15 5 are 75, n minus 1. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, 16th term. Therefore the 16th term is 78. The question is, AP दिया है, which term is 78? The 16th term is 78. Okay, now let us look at the 5th one. Alright, find the number of terms in each of the following. Number of terms means n निकालना है. 7, 13, 19, 7, 13, 19 up to 205. मतलब लास्ट टर्म है ना 205 है. ओके, सो L is equal to A of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. मतलब हमारा जो लास्ट टर्म है उसको हम A of n बोलते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी कॉल इट एज द L लास्ट टर्म. सो 205 is equal to A फर्स्ट टर्म. n हमको निकालना है. ओके, एंड D की वैल्यू 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, 205 minus 7 is 198. 198 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 6 3s are 18. Okay, 6 3s are 18 and 3s are 18, n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 34. That means which term is, the question is find the number of terms in each of the following AP. How many terms are there? There are 34 terms. There are 34 terms and the 34th term is 205. Alright, look at the second one out here. The second one says 18, 15, then 15 and a half, and then 13 dot minus 47. Alright, same thing. Here we take A is equal to 18, D is equal to 15 and a half. 15 and a half minus 18. Actually you can do it mentally also. Okay, 2 and a half होगा ये, minus 2 and a half. 15 and a half minus 18. So 15 2s are 31. 31 upon 2 minus 18. 18 2s are 36. 31 minus 36 upon 2. 31 minus 36 is minus 5 upon 2 or minus 2.5. Of course you can do it mentally also. Now we want to find L, which is the last term. A of n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. ऑलराइट. नाउ अगेन L इज इक्वल टू A ऑफ N, तो हम -47 को A ऑफ N लेंगे. -47, A ऑफ N is -47, that is your last term, and A is 18. N हमको निकालना है, D की वैल्यू -5/2. ओके, सो नाउ -47 -18 हो जाएगा. 47, 57 and 5, 65. 65 N-1 इंटू -5/2. अब दोनों तरफ से माइनस को कैंसिल कर दो, इसलिए प्लस हो जाएगा. 65 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2/5 इज इक्वल टू N-1. 13 5 जा 65, 5 13 जा 13 2 जा 26. 26 is equal to N-1. Therefore, N is equal to 27. How many terms? There are 27 terms. And the 27th term is -47. Again, you can see, very easy to do. There is no problem here. All right. Then that was number 5. Okay. Then let's see number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 says, check whether -150 is a term. -150 is a term. Is a term of the AP. What is this AP? 11, 8, 5, 2, ... Okay, 3 dots. Now you want to check whether -150 is an AP. So again we use the same formula. A plus N-1D. अगर 150 वो टर्म है ना -150, तो n की वैल्यू इंटीजर आनी चाहिए, होल नंबर आना चाहिए. नाउ लेट अस चेक. ओके, सपोज इट इज 150, A ऑफ n. A की वैल्यू 11 है, फर्स्ट टर्म. n वी डोंट नो. D की वैल्यू 8 - 11. ओके, 8 - 11 इज -3. Okay, so now -11 will become 11 will become -11, so it becomes -161. Okay, and -3 को इस तरफ ले लो, N-1. Okay, so therefore you get -161/3 plus 1 is equal to N. So N is equal to, remember -1 इस तरफ +1 हो गया. Okay, now this has become plus. Why? Because ये दोनों माइनस साइन था. Now answer is in plus. It should not be negative. Now 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 161 is 164. 164/3. Okay. 3 5s are 15 and 1 left 14. 3 4s are 12 and 2 left. So 2/3. It is not a whole number. It is not integer. Therefore you can say -150 is not a term. Is not a term of the AP. अगर ये होल नंबर आता है, इंटीजर आता, तो ही वो टर्म इट वुड बी अ टर्म ऑफ द AP. अगर सिर्फ 54 आता, देन इट वुड बी अ टर्म. बट नाउ बिकॉज इट इज एन इंटीजर, इट कैन नॉट, इट इज नॉट एन इंटीजर, इट्स अ फ्रैक्शन, एंड देयरफॉर इट इज नॉट अ टर्म ऑफ द AP. लेट अस डू नंबर 7. ऑलराइट, नंबर 7 सेज फाइंड द 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. So 11th term is equal to 38. देखो 11th term, A of 11. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is equal to 73. And you want to find the 31st term, A of 31 is equal to question mark. देखो हमको A भी नहीं, फर्स्ट टर्म नहीं दिया, लास्ट टर्म नहीं दिया, AP नहीं दिया, कुछ नहीं, हमको AP निकालना है. इनफैक्ट वी वांट टू फाइंड 31st term. 31st term के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द बेसिक थिंग्स लाइक A and D. ओके, सो हमको A of 11 दिया, देयरफॉर सी A of 11 इज इक्वल टू 38 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस N की वैल्यू 11 होगी. ओके, 11 - 1 इंटू D वी डोंट नो. ओके, सिमिलरली A of 16 इज गिवन एज 73 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस 16 है, इसलिए N की वैल्यू 16 और D की वैल्यू हमको मालूम नहीं है. ऑलराइट, so I get two equations. 38 is equal to A, 11 - 1 is 10D, and here I get 73 is equal to A, 16 - 1 is 15D. अब इसको मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट करता हूँ, माइनस माइनस माइनस, A कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 38 - 73. ओके, सो 38 - 73 is 20. 33. Okay, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 would be 5. Okay, and rather 3 minus 8. Just to show it to you here, 73 minus 38. Okay, 13. This is 13 now you borrowed, and यहाँ पे 6 हो गया. 13 minus 8. 8 and 6, 8 and 5, 30. 8 and 4, 12 and 5. Okay, 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. लेकिन बड़ा नंबर 73 है, इसलिए माइनस 35 इज इक्वल टू ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 10d माइनस 15d इज माइनस 5d. 5 7s are 35. सो d की वैल्यू आ गई 7. ऑलराइट, अब d की वैल्यू कोई भी इक्वेशन ले लो. 38 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 10d. 38 इज इक्वल टू a प्लस 10 इंटू d. d इज 7, तो ये 70 हो गया. सो a is 38 minus 70. Okay, so 32. Therefore a is equal to 32. अब a और d आ गया. Okay, अब a और d आ गया तो हमको a 31 निकालना है. Therefore a of 31, the 31st term would be a plus 31 minus 1 into d. a की वैल्यू 32 है. 31 minus 1 would be 30, and into d की वैल्यू 7 है. So 32, 7 3s are 21, 210. So 242. Therefore, the 31st term is 242. You can see it looks big, but it systematically करो, equations को बनाओ, equations बनाने के बाद you just subtract it and you get A and D. Alright, so that was question number 7. Alright, let's see question number 8. Question number 8 says, an AP consists of 50 terms. AP consists of 50 terms. That means n is equal to 50, of which third term is 12. So third term a of 3 is 12. That is given. And the last term L, that means a of n, the last term is 106. The last term is 106. Find the 29th term. You want to find a of 29. That is what you want to find. Alright. This is the information given in the question. So basically what we do is a of 3 is equal to 12. We are given n is equal to 50. Alright, and the last term we are given 106. So a of n, a plus n minus 1 into d. Now a of n, the last term is 106. A we don't know. N is 50. 50 minus 1 is 49. And into d we don't know. Alright, now you can see here that 106 is equal to a plus 49d, and also let this be equation 1. A of 3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1, that is 2 into d. A of 3 is given as 12. 12 is equal to a plus 2d. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 हो गया, इक्वेशन नंबर 2 हो गया. अब दोनों को सॉल्व करते हैं. 106 a plus 49 d and 12 is equal to a plus 2d. अब दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. माइनस माइनस माइनस. 106 minus 12 okay would be equal to 94, right, and a cancel हो जाएगा. 49d minus 2d will be 47d. So 47 2s are 94. So d की वैल्यू 2 आ गई. Alright, now take any equation. 12 is equal to a plus 2d. 12 is equal to a plus 2 into d. d is 2. 2 2s are 4. Therefore a is equal to 12 minus 4, that is 8. Okay, now you want to find a of 29. Okay, a of 29 निकालना है. a of 29 is a plus n minus 29 minus 1 into d. a की वैल्यू 8 है. 29 minus 1 is 28 and d की वैल्यू 2. 28 2s are 56. 56 plus 8 64. So therefore a of 29 is equal to 64. Now you can see, very easy to do that. These are not problems which are not so difficult, but you got to know the formula and you have to do it once or twice. Or I'll look at question number 9. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and 8 minus 8 respectively. So third term, if the third is term of an AP is 4 and the ninth term of an AP is equal to minus 8. Okay, then which term of the AP is 0? Okay, A of n 0 है. Once again, what is the question? If the third term of an AP is 4, the ninth term of an AP is -8, then which term is 0? A of n is equal to 0. Okay, now you see A of 3 is equal to 4. So A of 3 is equal to 4. So A of 3 is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so what do I get? A of 3 is given as 4. 4A plus 2D. इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 1 रहने दो. सेकंड में क्या है? वी आर गिवन दैट A of 9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. A of 9 is given as -8. A 9 minus 1 is 8. 8D. Okay, इसको इक्वेशन नंबर 2 रखो. Now solve both the equation. 4 is equal to A plus 2D and -8 is equal to A plus 8D. अब सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगी. ओके, 8 plus 4 will become 12. Cancel A. 2D minus 8D minus 4D minus 6D, sorry. 8 minus 2, 6D. So D will be equal to -2. ओके, अब D की वैल्यू आ गई. कोई भी इक्वेशन ले लो. Therefore 4 is equal to A plus 2D. हमको A ढूंढना है. 4A plus 2 into D. D is -2. So -4. -4 को इस तरफ हो जाएगा, +4 हो जाएगा. Therefore A की वैल्यू आएगी 8. Alright, A की वैल्यू 8. Now A of n is equal to 0. A plus n minus 1 D. अब हमको n निकालना है. So 0 is equal to A. A is equal to 8. n मालूम नहीं है. And D की वैल्यू -2 है. Okay, so -8 is equal to -2n plus 2. Multiply it, open the bracket, be careful with the sign. So 2n will be 8, -8 will become +8, 10, or n is equal to 8 plus 2, 10 divided by 2. So the fifth term is 0. Which term of the AP is 0? That is the question. The fifth term, A of 5, that means A of 5 is equal to 0. The fifth term is 0. Alright, that was number 9. Let me do one more today. Okay, then half the, because there are 20 problems, 10 I have done today, 10 I will do tomorrow. Otherwise it will become too long again. Alright, so let's see the 10th one now. The 17th term of an AP, okay, the 17th term, A17. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. This information is given. The 17th term of an AP is greater, it exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. हमको D निकालना है. Okay, अब मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोला था कि एक there is a, you see, remember I gave you in the starting, this is the first page, मैंने D का फॉर्मूला 2 दिया था. Look at the third one. Okay, ये फॉर्मूला देखो, A of m minus A of n, m minus n, where m is the mth term, n is the nth term. Okay, so now that same formula we are going to apply here. See this one. Okay, therefore D is equal to A of m minus A of n upon m minus n. m minus n. So therefore हमको D सिर्फ D निकालना है. Okay, A of m, that is A of 17 minus A of 10 upon 17 minus 10 upon m minus n. 17 minus 10. So therefore D, अब A of 17 minus A of 10 तो हमको दे दिया है कि वो 7 है. Okay, 17 minus 10 is 7. Therefore D is equal to 1. Common difference is equal to 1. अगर देखो अगर आगे कुछ पूछा हो, पूछा नहीं है, लेकिन अगर पूछा, देखो D की वैल्यू आ गई. ओके, नाउ यू सी A of 17 माइनस A of 10, सिर्फ इतना ही पूछा था, सिर्फ D की वैल्यू. अगर आगे पूछा है, ओके, देन यू कैन एक्चुअली एक और चीज़ दिया होना चाहिए, उसमें से हम A of 17 निकाल सकते हैं, A of 10 भी निकाल सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्वेश्चन. बट लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ D पूछा था. और अगर ये फॉर्मूला मालूम नहीं है, दिस फॉर्मूला, then you will not be able to solve this question. So this is the second formula for finding the common difference. ये भी याद रहना चाहिए. This is an important formula. Alright, so that completes 10 questions today. There are 20 questions here and it would take a long time if I were to finish all 20 in one single video. Alright, so I'm going to stop here today and tomorrow the remaining 10 questions I will finish. Okay, meanwhile in the evening, afternoon mein, I'll carry on with electricity, science ka topic I'll carry on, and I plan to start the tuitions in the first week of October itself, and I will ask all the students their opinion, and then we'll find out. Okay, till then keep studying at home and stay safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.